Landscape as the prelude. Poetry etched in time. This is Fuzhou New Area Changle District. A lifetime of joy. Joy in nature's splendor. Joy in culinary delights. Joy in life's vibrancy. Today, I invite you to join me in exploring Changle through its three joys. Joy in tours. Embraced by mountains and seas, the mind wanders free. Tapping Street. Nanxin Park. Thinks Literature Museum. Dongjianghu Park. Songxia Crossley Grand Bridge. New Area New Town. Beidong Lake. Shasha Coastal Resort. Senyingdao Beach. Hongbio Beach. Hanying Temple. Meihua Ancient Town. Minjiang Estuary National Wetland Park. With every step forward, the desire to stay here grows stronger. Joy in cuisine. A world of flavors, a nostalgia for home. Gangmian noodles. Ice rice. Guobian. Oyster cakes. Fish balls. Potato balls. Baked meat pie. White balls. Chicken broth with clams. Buddha jumps over the wall. Longan fruit. Jasmine tea. Every bite is a little happiness Changle wants to share with you. Joy in customs. Ancient charm revitalized, rituals passed down. Burning pagodas. Bench dragon dance. Kinjiang Tage. Nighttime dragon boat race in Sangxi Village. Min Opera. Paper cutting. Embroidered red dress of Meihua Town. Wedding baskets. Herbal incense. Gaolu rice handicraft. These vibrant traditions are the Changle people's innate art of living well. You see, Changle's landscapes can compose poetry, its cuisine can captivate the soul, and its customs radiate warmth. Here, mountains and seas form the canvas, the bustling life as colors, and culture served as the brush, composing a poetic chapter of a lifetime of joy. A lifetime of joy is not a distant blessing, but a tangible reality hidden in every view, every flavor, and every encounter. Where the heart finds its home, there lies a lifetime of joy.